The market has stable a little bit, but I'm not sure if we hit the bottom yet, since we are still dealing with the virus and the new strain, and that's really contributing a lot to the market right now, especially when it comes to the semiconductors and a lot of things going on. Hello, welcome to Finance 101, and this is Road to 10K, episode 14. So let's take and see how the portfolio is doing this week. As we can see, we're still down. Even today, we're down $162. That's 3% down. And if we go down, we can see that Apple is still doing good. I only own 3 shares of Apple, and we're up 144. And Amazon is okay. And from the last episode, the ones that I'm down on, I'm still down on those. And actually, I did add, I think, $300 to buy a couple more stocks. What I did was I added 3 more shares to Speedlight, trying to leverage down a little bit, trying to help out my cost per average. I did that. I think I bought 3 shares of that, and I bought Neogen right here, this company here. So I was looking around to see what I can buy next, and I found this company, and I found out that they have one of the best technology when it comes to meat or anything you do buy. When it comes to meat or anything you do buy in the supermarket, they can trace it all the way down to what the cow was fed with and how would they were and everything they did before they actually brought them to the supermarket. All you gotta do really is just take a picture of the meat, and they can tell you exactly where the meat came from. When I saw that, I was like, wow, this is very interesting. I gotta get in this price. Sometimes you gotta borrow your money, and there's too many things going on, and people want to know what you put in their body. So that's something I support. And so I said, okay, fine, I'll get in this company. It might have a great future. So I bought 3 shares of those, and I think my average cost for that was 3 shares, and my average was $44.01. And so far I was up a little bit, and I'm down with 78 cents. Not bad, since the market is not really doing good for most of the stocks now. So it will come back eventually. And the rest of the stocks, they're doing good compared to the last video I did. So for now, this is how the portfolio is looking like now. And as you can see, Nvidia, we are still up on Nvidia. And another company that has been doing really good lately is Ford. Where's Ford? Ford has been doing really good. So Ford, here it went up to, I think it went up to like $24.25. As you can see, I only have 22 shares of Ford, and we're up what, $264. That's 103%. So that's really good. Speedlight, we're still down a lot. That's a whole lot. So what I'm thinking about is I still believe in this company, so I'm gonna slowly leverage down, buying more, so my average per cost will decrease a lot, me bring it down a little lower, so when it does go up, I'll be able to recuperate my money a little bit faster. And so as you can see down here too, DIV also paid me dividend. What they did was they paid me I think $2 something dividends. So what I did was I bought 1 more share when I got a dividend from that, and so my total shares $149, 49 shares now. So what I'm going to be doing is, since they pay dividend every month, I'm just going to buy at least 1 or 2 more shares with it. So until keep building up until one day, if it does take off, or if it doesn't take off, at least I'm making the money from the dividend. So that's doing really good right now. Other than that, the market is not really doing anything right now, and it's the beginning of the year. So let's just see. Hopefully everything get back to normal, and most of the stocks are taking off again, because the past, say, 3 months has not been that great for investing in the fan and the best companies right now. But these things happen all the time and they always come back. So you just have to be patient and let's see what happens in the near future. So bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe, share the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.